It's meal prep day again. I have a very busy week, so today I'm going to try to meal prep everything in less than an hour. But first, let's go to the grocery store to get the ingredients. I am now back from the grocery store, so we're gonna meal prep healthy breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner that will get you 100 grams of protein per day. And we have 1 hour to prep all those meals. So the timer starts now.
For breakfast, I'm making mango overnight oats. First, I'm adding half a cup of oats, and then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which are a great source of healthy fats and fiber. People often ask me, do I only focus on protein? And of course not. Getting enough fiber and healthy fats is also crucial, as well as eating a variety of foods, especially vegetables and fruits. Next, I'm adding mango puree. I got a store-bought one to save time, but you could also make it yourself just by blending mangoes in a blender. Then I'm adding low-fat Greek yogurt, which is high in protein, and some milk. Lastly, I add 1 tablespoon of collagen powder, but that's totally optional. I'm currently testing it out because some of you recommended it to me in the comments. It's high in protein and should be good for your skin. The best part is it doesn't really taste like anything compared to protein powder. I top the overnight oats with some raspberries. Then I just store these jars in the fridge. These mango overnight oats are so creamy and delicious. Next, I'm prepping the snack because it's also a super quick recipe like the overnight oats. I'm making smoothie jars, which are a fun way to meal prep smoothies. I add frozen strawberries, frozen wild blueberries, and vegan vanilla protein powder. And lastly, ground flax seeds, which are a great source of fiber. Then I just store these in the freezer. Then before serving, I just add all the ingredients from a jar into a blender with some milk and blend until smooth. You could also leave out the protein powder and just add some yogurt to the blender before serving. Now 12 minutes have passed and we have already prepped 2 meals. For lunch, I'm prepping Caesar salad jars. First, I'm making the marinade for chicken. I'm mixing together garlic-infused olive oil, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Then I place the chicken breasts into a baking dish and top them with the marinade. I make sure that they're all fully covered in it. I bake the chicken breasts at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I cook some lentil pasta and prep the dressing. I'm using a store-bought dressing this time to save time, but I'm making it a bit lighter by mixing it with Greek yogurt. This is a great hack because the taste still stays the same. Meanwhile, the pasta and chicken are still cooking, I start making the dinner. I'm making seafood tortilla pizzas. I'm using gluten-free oat tortillas. First, I top them with tomato sauce. Then I add some chopped spinach. Next, I'm adding tuna and shrimps for protein. Then I add chopped green onions. If you don't have IBS, you could add some red onion to this as well. Next, I'm adding sweet peppers. You could also add cherry tomatoes, for example. Then I add some Kalamata olives. And some chopped basil. And lastly, shredded low-fat cheese. Then I bake the pizzas at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Meanwhile, the pizzas are in the oven, I finish the salad jars. First, I divide the dressing into the jars. I'm showing here 3 jars, but I prepped 2 more. I filmed clips of those for a short form video. Then I added the chicken breasts that I cut into pieces. If you are a vegetarian, you could replace the chicken with chickpeas or tofu, for example. Next, I add the lentil pasta, which is high in fiber and protein. Then I add some Parmesan flakes and some kale. And lastly, lettuce. I store the jars in the fridge. Before serving, I just pour all the ingredients into a big bowl and mix everything together. This salad is one of my favorite meal prep lunches. Really easy to make, filling, and so tasty. The weather has been so nice here in Finland, so we can enjoy this lunch on the balcony. And here are the ready tortilla pizzas and all the ready meals.
I was able to make those meals in 1 hour and 2 minutes, so pretty good. The written recipes are in the description box as always, and let me know in the comments what kind of recipes you want to see next. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!